How to enable and disable protected view in Word. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first launch your Word application and then open a blank document. Now write all the things or edit your document the way you want. After that, what you will have to do is save your document and then go to info. Now you will see an option of protect document. Go over there, and now in order to enable protecting, what you will have to do is simply restrict it like this. Confirm restricting here, and after that, if you want to disable protecting, go simply do the same process and then go to restrict editing and uncheck this boxes and done. So that's how you enable or disable the protected document in Word. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.